why would I spend all this time opening up this, I don't know, pail of junk with a screwdriver to show you something that's really ugly? It's a silver sludge, but the story is more interesting than the material. It's a high-value silver sludge, comes from a manufacturer, and they do electrostatic coating of materials, mostly plastic. What's interesting about the sludge is it's high in silver. And you say, well, why is there silver on spraying? Because most people don't realize when you go buy a cosmetic bottle and it's got a silver cap, that's real silver in that cap. If you go buy a liquor bottle and it's got a silver cap, that's real silver in that cap. And they make millions and millions and millions of caps. And from millions of caps, you get a pile of ugly sludge that has a lot of value that will recover. So more of an interesting story than an interesting material because it's kind of ugly and it looks basically like chocolate.